So in this video, we will prove that square root p plus square root q is an irrational number where p and q are prime numbers. So in order to prove this one, we will use our previous example for our help. Our previous example said that square root of p, which means square root of a prime number, is always an irrational number. So that's what we proved in our earlier problem. So we will use that argument here. Alright. Okay, so let's start this one. So what is our assumption here? Assumption here is that square root p plus square root q is rational. So which means square root p plus square root q can be written as sum a by b. So what do? You take this square root q that side. So this becomes square root p is equal to a by b minus square root q. So what can you do here? So square on both the sides. So when you square on both the sides, this becomes square root p whole square is equal to a by b minus root q the whole square. So square root p whole square is p, a by a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square is a by b whole square minus 2ab, 2 into a is a by b into b is root q plus b square is square root q whole square. So what you do here is that, okay, let's simplify this first. So p is equal to a by b whole square is a square by b square minus this is 2a by b into square root of q plus square root of q whole square is q. Okay, so then what you do is write for square root q. So bring all these terms this side and bring this term this side. So what happens? Minus 2a by b into root q when brought this side becomes plus 2a by b into root q is equal to a square by b square plus q. This p when brought this side becomes minus p. Let's simplify this one. 2a by b into square root of q is equal to, you take b square as the LCM. So if b square is the LCM, so this is 1. So here you have to multiply by b square, here also by b square. So it becomes a square plus qb square minus pb square. Okay, so let's write for root q now. So root q can be written as, bring this 2a by b this side. So divided by b becomes multiplied by b, multiplied by 2a becomes divided by 2a. So let's write that one. So 2a plus qb square minus pb square into this b divided by b square into 2a. So this b and this b gets cancelled. Now where did we come to now? So this is a square plus qb square minus pb square divided by 2ab. So we came to a point where a, q, p and b, all of them are integers. Okay. So which means this whole thing, a square plus qb square minus pb square, this will again be an integer. 2ab will again be an integer. So which means this one, it is some integer m and this is some other integer n. So we came to a point where we are saying square root q is in the form m by n, which is not true. Why? In our previous problem, we saw that square root of any prime number is an irrational number. So here we are saying that it is in the form m by n, which means it is a rational number, which cannot be true. So therefore, square root q from this argument is a rational number, which is not true. Which is not true, because we have proved in our previous problem that square root of a prime number is an irrational number. So if this is not true, what must be wrong? Our assumption must be wrong. So our assumption is square root p plus square root q is a rational number. That was our assumption. So that has to be wrong. Therefore, square root p plus square root q is an irrational number. I hope you understood this.